Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. So I have a secret recipe that I've been using each time I lose my hair. I put it first before anything, before washing the hair or putting any conditioner or any detangler on my hair. I have this particular ingredients. So I want you guys to follow me and see what that ingredient is. Actually, let me go straight to the point. It's actually bay leaf. Bay leaf is very, very good to repair the hair. You know, after our braiding, especially the 4C, you tend to lose a lot of hair. Okay, you lose hair, some of the hair after braiding. So bay leaf helps to regrow them. It helps to build back the nutrient on those lost hair for it to grow back. It does a lot of things. It helps in moisturizing your hair. It helps in itchy dandruff. It helps in a lot of things. So I make sure I put in bay leaf water on my hair first after losing my hair. Let me show you guys how I do it. So guys, this is bay leaf. For those who don't know what bay leaf is, this is bay leaf. You could either get a fresh or dry one. It's one of the spices we use in making our dishes. So you put it in your pan and then or a pot and then add your water to it. Okay, add enough water that could allow it to boil on fire, and then you set it on fire and you leave it for at least 10 minutes to boil, and then your bay leaf water is ready to be used. This is the bay leaf water. Okay, so I'm just gonna go straight into putting it on my hair.